Welcome to your dream student living experience at LIV Student Belfast, an extraordinary stay in Belfast, where you have everything to make your student life truly memorable. This beautiful abode offers a sophisticated range of private studios and en-suite rooms, all on the same site, creating a unique and vibrant community in the heart of Belfast. Each room comes with a comfortable bed, a dedicated study area, underbed storage, and a noseboard to keep track of everything. And the amenities, they're top-notch. Enjoy state-of-the-art social spaces, including a cozy cinema room for weekend movie nights, a well-equipped fitness studio, study rooms for your exam days with unlimited Wi-Fi and the best security with CCTV coverage, secure door entry systems, and bike storage. Ulster University Belfast Campus is a short stroll away, with Queens University Belfast being a pleasant ride away. Surrounded by culinary delights, grab a quick bite at Hero's Sandwich Shop or party at Cathedral Quarter Social. Whether it's a spontaneous craving or a milestone celebration, the options are endless. Need essentials? Lidl Superstore has you covered. Plus, with Little Patrick Street bus stop and Dunbar Link bus stop nearby, commuting is a breeze. Are you excited to start your journey at LIV Student Belfast? Don't wait. Book your room now at amberstudent.com today.